One very nice feature in the menu context is I've shown you that when you hover something here, you see these videos, but they don't go away. They just hide behind your controller. So when you turn it towards you, they pop up. And here you have the video tutorials for the single tools accessible very quickly by just like turning your controller and clicking on one of the tools. Actually, you always have the video here that corresponds to your tool here, so you can like watch the video and work at the same time. Same goes for the other way around. So here I have the surface tool, and when I turn this one around, I see the surface tool short tutorial. So this is how you can refresh your knowledge or look up something that you don't have in mind when you work inside Flying Shapes without having to leave the application to watch these video tutorials. If you do want to do this, you can press this link. This opens the current set of tutorial videos on YouTube.